In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up users in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or looking to enhance your QuickBooks experience with a team, these steps will guide you through the process smoothly. First, open your web browser and navigate to QuickBooks Online. In the top right corner, you'll see the Sign In button. Go ahead and click on it. On the login page, enter your email and password carefully. QuickBooks uses this information to verify your identity, keeping your data secure and private. After entering your credentials, click Sign In and you'll be taken to your QuickBooks dashboard. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the Settings option, represented by a small gear icon. Click on it to access the Settings menu. Here, you'll see several options to help manage your QuickBooks environment more effectively. For setting up users, click on the Manage Users link. This opens a portal where you can view, add, or edit user credentials for your QuickBooks account. You'll see a list of current users who already have access to add a new user. Click on the Add New User option, usually indicated by a plus sign or an invitation button. Prompted to enter their email address and follow a few simple prompts to send an invitation. This process ensures that only authorized individuals can access your financial data. A quick note, if your current QuickBooks plan doesn't support additional users, you might be prompted to upgrade your subscription. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can effectively manage who has access to your QuickBooks account, ensuring both security and efficiency. Adding team members can significantly streamline your business operations and enhance collaboration. I hope this tutorial was helpful and adds value to your QuickBooks experience. If you have any questions or topics you'd like covered, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more QuickBooks tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy bookkeeping.